Yan na favorite mo. Hindi na si Miss Rachel. Nawa.
Can you say mama?
Nawa.
Can you say mama's name?
Can you say mama daw?
Can you say dad?
Tuwa-tuwa.
Can you say dad's name? I'm going to teach a good someday. Hi! Hello! Can you say mama? Mama!
Wala na si Miss Rachel.
Can you say dada?
Nang-away sila sa amin.
Dada! Dada! Can you say mama? Mama? Can you say mama?